Hello everyone. Today, we are going to troubleshoot a very specific and often frustrating Excel VBA error, Runtime Error 438. This error frequently appears when you are trying to use the powerful Application.Transpose function. You might have a large set of data in a one-dimensional array, perhaps from a column on your worksheet, and you want to write it across a row. You use Application.Transpose, and your code grinds to a halt with an error. Let's break down exactly why this happens and, more importantly, how you can build a robust solution to fix it permanently. The full error message's object doesn't support this property or method, which can be very confusing because you know the transpose method is a valid part of the VBA application object. The real issue here is not that the method is wrong, but that there is a hidden limitation. The Application.Transpose function has a size limit. It cannot process an array that contains more than 65,536 elements. This is a legacy limitation from older 16-bit versions of Excel that still affects modern VBA. So, if you read a column with 80,000 rows into an array and then try to transpose it, VBA will throw error 438 because the object you provided, your oversized array, is not supported by the method due to its size. The solution is to bypass the transpose function altogether when dealing with large arrays. The first, and simplest, way is to use a loop. You can iterate through your source array from the first to the last element and write each value to the worksheet cells one by one. For instance, you could have a for loop that puts myArray, I, into cells 1, I. This method is guaranteed to work regardless of the array size, but it has a significant drawback. It can be very slow, as interacting with worksheet cells one at a time is inefficient. A much better and faster approach is to build a new array in the correct orientation yourself. Instead of relying on transpose, you can create a new two-dimensional array that is already transposed. For example, if you have a 1D source array with 100,000 elements, you would create a new 2D array dimensioned as 1 to 1, 1 to 1 0 0 0 0 0. Then, you loop through your original array and populate this new 2D array. This entire process happens within VBA's memory, which is extremely fast. Once your new array is built, you can write it to the worksheet range in a single, instantaneous operation. This method avoids the transpose limit and the slowness of a cell-by-cell loop, making it the ideal solution for large datasets. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide to fixing Runtime Error 438 helpful, please show your appreciation by liking the video and subscribing to support the channel. Your support allows me to keep making these tutorials to help you become a better VBA developer. See you next time.